Today we're gonna be making a strawberry acai. These are all our ingredients. We have a lemonade, white cran strawberry juice, freeze-dried strawberries, 2 cups, ice, a spoon, and straws.
Our first step is the ice.
Next step is the freeze-dried strawberries. You can put as much as you like. Third step is to fill your cup halfway with the white cran strawberries. Next thing, fill the rest of your cup with lemonade. Good. Done. Now you can enjoy your refreshing beverage.
Someone's doing her eye makeup right now.
Who am I here with today?
Abby.
Piper. And what do you guys think?
No, restart!
Girl,